morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
वही 9 days.
Now, children, do you have any problem in your chapter 5?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
कोई दिक्कत है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
आप लोगों ने क्वेश्चन आंसर दे दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tomorrow we will have our test, online test. You will have your online test, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know which chapter is your portion?
Ma'am, chapter 3.
Chapter 3.
Chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Ma'am, chapter 3.
Ma'am, chapter
Yesterday
3.
I told
Chapter 3. Chemical substances and processes.
Chapter 3, I have told you that you should prepare the this chapter for your online test, and today we will have a quick revision of the lesson. इस lesson का हम quick revision करते हैं. Let's see how much you have prepared yourself. कितना आप लोग prepared किए हो अपने आप को? Okay.
Yes,
So let's have a revision today. Now, please students, please be alert and put your hands up. Don't say together. एक बार मत बोलोगे सब. अपना हाथ ऊपर करोगे and then we will have the revision. The process that leads to a chemical change is called a Anushka.
ma'am, you are not audible.
Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, chemical reaction.
Yes, my mic is not muted. Chalo. It is chemical reaction. Correct answer. Iron gets rusted on coming in contact with
Heat
Ma'am,
and
water. Ma'am, heat and water.
Ma'am, heat and water.
air and moisture. Air. Air will be the correct answer. Air and moisture. The type and number of particles of each kind present in a substance is given by its
Chemical formula. Chemical formula. Chemical formula.
Materials made up of same kind of particles are called
Pure substance.
It's for me to give the name of the student, because if one of you will speak, then others will not get it. Then come to this. What are elements? Question answer.
It is a pure substance made of atom of the same kind. Ma'am, an element is a pure substance which is made up of atoms of same kind. Substance which is made of atoms of atoms of same kind. Element is a pure substance. Yes, ma'am.
जिसको हम अनम्यूट करेंगे वही बोलेगा, क्योंकि आप लोग एक साथ बोलिएगा कुछ आंसर समझ में नहीं आएगा. What are elements? Tell.
An element is a pure substance which is made up of one kind of atom.
An element is a pure substance which is made up of one kind of
Atom.
हाँ ठीक है. Give example.
Iron is an element which consists of iron atoms.
Okay. Now next. Shally.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me give the chemical symbol of iron and chlorine.
Ma'am, iron Fe and chlorine Cl.
Yes. And you be alert while writing this symbol that first alphabet will be capital and second one will be a small letter.
Yes, ma'am.
If you all will, please learn all the symbols. Please learn. They are important. Then write the chemical formula of following compound. You can speak. Don't write. Speak it. I just whose name I will call, they will only do. Only that student will answer. Shashank Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Aluminium oxide. Formula of aluminium oxide. Formula of aluminium oxide. Anshika,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell formula of aluminium oxide.
Al2O3.
Once again, loudly.
Ma'am, Al2 oxygen 3.
Okay, correct. Then Mahi Singh. Mahi. Mahi Singh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi, you can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
माही आप सुन रहे हैं? हाँ आप बोलिए जिंक
Yes,
एसीटेट का
ma'am.
जिंक एसीटेट.
ZnC4H6O4.
No, that is not correct. पहले एसीटेट का फॉर्मूला बोलो. पूरा एसीटेट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Anybody else can try? अंकुर
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, zinc acetate का.
Yes.
Ma'am, ZnCH3COO.
And how will you balance it? क्रिस क्रॉस करके क्या आएगा इसका? Zn का 2 जाएगा ना एसीटेट पे. So it will be Zn. Either you write in front, but I have told you to write Zn at the back because of bonding. So ठीक है, आगे भी लिखोगे तो Zn.
Ma'am, I have put the acetate formula in brackets. So can I write Zn first?
You can write at this stage, but that is not totally correct. When you will go in higher classes, then you will understand about bonding. तो ठीक है, अभी लिखो आप लोगों से, लेकिन आपको Zn लास्ट में लिखना चाहिए क्योंकि इसका फ्री बॉन्डिंग लास्ट में बैक में है. ठीक है, तो आप लिखो ZnCH3CO और ब्रैकेट में CH3CO को रखकर और 2 लिखो वैलेंसी. What does the chemical equation represent? Ridhima. Ridhima Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am,
What does the chemical equation?
Ma'am, the representation of a chemical reaction using symbols and formula of substances involved in the reaction is called a chemical equation.
Yes, correct. Very good. और कोई बोल सकता है इस आंसर को? अभिज्ञा. अभिज्ञा.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. The same question. What does the chemical equation represent?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the representation of the chemical reaction using symbols and formulas of substance undergoing change in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction. Yes, ma'am.
The representation of chemical reaction using symbol and formulas of substances involved in the reaction is called a chemical equation. These are very important terms for this chapter. So please go through it. What are reactants and products in an equation? Aditya Ranjan. Aditya Ranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, bolo. What are reactants and products in a chemical equation?
Ma'am,
Bolo, tell me the answer. What are
Ma'am,
reactants and products in a chemical
Ma'am,
reaction?
Ma'am, can
Chemical
I?
equation.
Can I answer?
Tell your name,
Excuse
children.
me, ma'am.
please.
Ma'am, Ridhima.
Yeah, Ma'am
Yes,
Abhigya.
you can tell.
Ma'am,
Okay,
substances.
Ma'am Abhigya.
Ridhima, you tell.
Okay, ma'am. Substances undergoing change in a chemical reaction are called reactants, and the new substance which are formed are called the products.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very good.
while writing chemical equation, we put the
Yes.
symbols of the reactants on the left hand side and those of the products on the right hand side.
Okay, very good. Very good. Appropriate answer. Give one example of combination reaction.
Ma'am, can I, Ankuranand?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, bolo. Ankur. Ankur, you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, of combination reaction 2H of nitrogen and hydrogen N2 3 plus 3H2 it will form then 2NH3.
Okay, it's correct, but you should know the definition also. Who can define combination reaction?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am Abhigya, Mishra.
Ma'am, a
Ma'am,
chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new product is called combination reaction.
Yes. ठीक है. Then next comes the write the steps involved in writing the chemical formula of calcium phosphate.
Ma'am, can I?
Abhigya, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, to write the formula of calcium phosphate, we first write the symbol for calcium and phosphate ions along with their charges. Ma'am, along with their charges, and then ma'am Ca2 plus PO bracket PO4.
3 minus.
Now ma'am.
3 minus. Charge will be 3 minus.
Yes, ma'am. 3 minus. And ma'am, फिर उसको criss cross करके ma'am. तो ma'am,
You
फिर
write
आंसर आ
down,
जाएगा
you
ma'am.
tell that line. We crisscross because you have to write the step. In exam
Okay,
also you will write like this only.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then we have to crisscross. The answer will be A3 bracket PO4 bracket 2.
Okay. After first देखो first step होगा आपका when you are writing the answer. First step we write the symbol of calcium and phosphate ions. ये आपका first step हुआ. And then second step you will show the ions. Calcium 2 Ca2 positive charge and PO4 3 minus charge. This will be your second step. Then third, we now crisscross their charges and write the crisscrossed number of subscript against the two symbol. Then you will crisscross, show that crisscross, and then you will write the final symbol, final formula, that is Ca3 or in bracket PO4 whole 2. This will be your complete. And last you have to write that formula completely. Agar formula nahi likhte ho complete, then your marks will be cut. That will not be your final answer. Then how is a chemical change different from a physical change?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Get chance. Divya,
Okay, ma'am.
Divya Sinha. Divya Sinha, can you hear? Kailash Saxena. Please get connected quickly when I ask you. Kailash Saxena. Prakash Kumar. Prakash. Mahi. They all don't get the, just be alert. Aman.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Aman Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए आपको करिए. How is a chemical change different from a physical change?
Ma'am, during chemical change, different substances are mixed in appreciate amount. They may undergo chemical interreaction resulting in the formation of new substances. But in physical state, shape, size, or color, but it does not change into another substance.
Bora, what are you talking about? What are you talking? I have not given this answer.
Ma'am, can I answer?
ma'am, can I
Yes.
answer?
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, during chemical change, different substances are mixed in right amount. They may undergo chemical interreaction, resulting in the formation of a new substance. But in physical change, the substance may undergo a change in physical state, shape, or size, color, but it does not change into another substance.
Okay, हाँ, this is the appropriate answer. ये appropriate answer है आपका. जो भी बच्चे नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं इसको आंसर को, जब हम आपको सेंड कर देते हैं पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर, तब आप लोग क्यों नहीं लिख पाते हो? पेज नंबर 37 में देखो एक बार इस आंसर को. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पैराग्राफ. पहले आप सेकंड पैराग्राफ से लिखिएगा. ड्यूरिंग अ केमिकल चेंज अ सब्सटेंस चेंजेस इनटू अनदर सब्सटेंस. When suitable substances are mixed in appropriate amount, they may undergo chemical interaction resulting in formation of new substance. But in a physical change, the substance may undergo a change in its physical state, shape, size, or color, but it does not change into another substance. This is the appropriate answer.
Okay, ma'am.
And all of you should appear in tomorrow's exam.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
mandatory. All of you should appear.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, this is the way. If you are just not appearing in the exam, then it is a heavy loss for you all. आप लोग अपने आप को assess ही नहीं कर पाइएगा कि आप कितना सीखे और कितना पढ़ाई की है. ठीक है? तो अभी जो सिस्टम चल रहा है उसमें अपने आप को assessment आपको करना बहुत जरूरी है. Clear? So please appear in the exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Neutralization reaction is a chemical change. Justify this statement with the help of an example.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
can
I?
I? Ankuranan.
Ma'am, Abhigya Mishra.
Ma'am, Ankuranan.
Ma'am, Abhigya.
Okay, Ankur bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Neutralization reaction is a chemical change as acid and a base react to form salt and water. In chemical change, new substance is formed. Similarly, in neutralization reaction, substance is formed in this salt and water form.
Yes. और एक example दे दीजिए उसका.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid forms sodium chloride and water.
Yes, good. Abhigya, you also tell this answer. Same answer.
In
Bolo.
neutralization reaction an acid and a base form salt and water, that is new substance get formed, so it is a chemical change. The reaction between hydronic chloric acid and sodium,
Hydrochloric acid.
yes
हाँ.
ma'am, hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride, a salt and water is formed. Example, NaOH,
Formed.
sodium chloride plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, equals to NaCl, salt, plus H2O, water.
Yes, correct. It's correct. Define a decomposition reaction and give an example of the same. Define decomposition reaction and
Ma'am,
give
can-
example
Ma'am,
of
can
the
I
same.
answer? Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Minute, let me give chance to others also. Anshika Mishra, they are just not responding at all. Anshika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Define a decomposition reaction and give an example of the same.
A chemical reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound.
Okay. Then can you give me one example of it? एक एग्जाम्पल दीजिए इसका.
2H2 oxygen I.
It is displacement reaction, children.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Bolo.
Ma'am, a
Next,
chemical,
Ma'am, a chemical reaction in which more than one product are obtained from a single reactant are called decomposition reaction.
No, I'm not telling about decomposition. Oh, अच्छा, हाँ, ठीक है. बोलो, decomposition. Okay, correct.
Ma'am, example 2H2O bracket L, electric current 2H2, ma'am bracket G plus O2.
Okay, then tell me about displacement reaction. Who will define displacement reaction?
Non-displacement reaction in which one element displaces another element in a compound.
Yes, ठीक है. इसका example क्या होगा?
Ma'am, displacement.
Ma'am, इसका example हो जाएगा Fe plus Cu.
Non-iron plus copper sulfate solution equal to ma'am iron sulfate solution plus copper.
Yes. So children, all the different types of reaction, please learn it. उसको आप लोग जरूर learn करिए. Different types of reaction with its example. Now come to this. How can you classify the following reaction into different types, giving reason? Listen children, here there are two question attached in one question. अगर आप reason नहीं लिखोगे exam में तो marks cut होगा. Calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide will give you what? Calcium silicate. Which type of reaction is this?
Non-combination reaction.
So tell me why.
Ma'am, because two reactions are combined to form new product.
Combined to
Yes.
form a chemical.
Yes. Two reactants are combining to form one product. Then potassium hydroxide plus HCl will give what? Potassium chloride plus water. What is it? Which type of reaction is it?
Ma'am, can you repeat your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Potassium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid will give potassium chloride plus water. And which type of
Non-neutralization reaction.
Combination
Why?
reaction.
Non-neutralization reaction. Non-neutralization reaction.
Yes, it is
Because
neutralization. और
Ma'am,
क्यों है
because
ये neutralization?
ma'am, because acid and base are reacting to form salt and water.
Yes, very good. Acid and base are reacting to form salt and
Salt
water.
and water.
Yes, copper plus silver nitrate will give you copper nitrate plus silver. Which type of reaction is this?
Non displacement reaction.
Displacement
Okay.
reaction.
Ma'am,
Okay.
because copper
Why?
is displacing silver is a reactivity series.
Ma'am,
Yes.
copper is more.
Yes, copper is more reactive. That is why it is displacing silver from silver nitrate and forming silver nitrate, copper nitrate, and silver is displaced from the reaction. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
barium carbonate will give you barium oxide and carbon dioxide. What is it? Which type of reaction?
Non-decomposition reaction.
It is decomposition reaction. Yes. Why
Non-
we will say that it is the decomposition reaction?
Ma'am, because one reactant is forming two products.
One reactant is forming two products.
Two products.
Yes,
Ma'am,
because one
because-
reactant is decomposed, means broken,
Yes, ma'am.
and it is forming two products.
Two products.
Okay. Now, children, in any of the this question answer or any of the topic related to this chapter, do you have any problem?
No,
कोई
ma'am.
दिक्कत है आपको प्रिपरेशन में?
No, ma'am.
तो आप सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट ये नोट कर लीजिए क्या क्या लर्न करिएगा. एलिमेंट कंपाउंड मिक्सचर कर लोगे
Okay,
कल
ma'am.
के लिए. एटम्स कर लीजिएगा. डेफिनेशन, दीज आर द डेफिनेशन. सिंबल्स, केमिकल सिंबल पूरा लर्न कर लोगे.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
means from inside the book what can be given. और पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर तो आपके पास है ही, वो लर्न करने के लिए. So don't leave any question answer, and it is not very lengthy also, children. So all of you should just mug up, and only one chapter is there. So, and you have enough time at home. So I want that all of you should be ready to answer all the question and get 10 out of 10. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
चलो, और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anybody? सबको अलाउ कर देते हैं. All of you can ask. कुछ भी अगर पूछना है तो. Anybody who wants to ask any question, you can ask just now. And tomorrow, all of you just prepare, be present in your exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Same to you, ma'am.
Same to you, ma'am.
And best of luck for your exam also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Or don't send here and there on WhatsApp and all. Don't get confused. You should not be in a hurry to submit your answer. आपके पास enough time है, पूरे दिन का टाइम है, आप आराम से सबमिट करोगे. इसलिए हड़बड़ा के इधर उधर भेज दिए ये नहीं करना है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't do that mistake. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.